everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids Rewriting Capital Letter Alphabets. Orange color, light pink color, blue color, light green color, brown color. The next one is white color exactly. Silver color, sky blue color, red color, yellow color, purple color, black color, dark pink color, dark green color. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Dark pink color A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. First we are writing the alphabet A. The next one is B, B, C. The next one is D, D for dog. E for egg. F for fish, F for fan. Stay with us. Silver color. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. I, J. The next one is K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lemon, L for lion. Sky blue color. M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Stay with us. O. The next one is P. Q for queen. The last one is R. R for rose, R for eyes. Thank you so much for watching.